Life of Pi analysis. The story is told from two different perspectives. The first is Pi's own account of his ordeal, and the second is an alternative story told by a Canadian investigator named Lim. The two stories are presented as separate narratives, and the reader is left to decide which one is true. Pi's story is the more fantastical of the two, involving a Bengal tiger named Richard Parker who appears on the lifeboat and helps Pi survive. Reflection. Reading The Life of Pi has been a great journey throughout the series of Pi. I was a young boy who was trapped in the boat with a Bengal tiger. Pi's ability to adapt life on the boat with a ferocious tiger and dead deal his fears. As the day goes on, by Pi and the Bengal tiger learn to trust each other, and in the 227 days has passed, Pi learns to survive, forming a complex relationship with the Bengal tiger.